Welcome to... well, that was nice timing. Welcome to Virtual Play live game development streaming. I'm Stephan and I'm building a game called Outranked at this point. Also building Hatchbull, but that's not been on stream for a little while because we want to actually build Outranked first, because that's taking advantage of the fact that everybody's working from home and lots of people want to play multiplayer games, so we're building a multiplayer game. Hey Tom, how are you doing? And yeah, we also have a new VIP here, Pete. Pete's been raised to VIP status, maybe even going to help on this game, so that will be awesome. And then I had fixed some stuff on my other computer that I was struggling with last stream, and I was struggling. I ended with some errors, and I did not commit that because I was too busy. So right now I cannot access the Mac side of that computer, so I can't actually get that. So I'll just ignore the rank picking side of everything right now. There's enough to do, so I'll actually just continue with the other side of things, which is picking a team. And oh yes, I also updated all those plugins. Well, let's just get into it. I'll try to whoa, what's going on? That's very jittery right now. Is this the same as last time? I'm not sure. Last time I had an issue that the laptop that I'm using was not charged, but that can't be it right now. So maybe it's just some other application. Whoa. Ah, that's fine right now. No, that was just some CPU spike. Alright, so I'm loading the let's see, loading the project here. Got one open here, so that's at least something, but it's got lots of issues here, and I'm not actually sure what to do about those because they're annoying as hell. Actually can't close the package manager, so I'll just reload the default layout. Revert factory settings, yes. Boom. Continue, load, revert, continue, load, and we're getting nowhere. Let's see. There it is. Oh, there it is. I think I can actually use stuff now. No, package manager is still. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's refreshed, but can I now actually open stuff? Console Pro works. Put the console to the left so you guys can see me again. See behind me. And interesting. Something is still off here. Game works, but simulator probably doesn't. Oh, it does now, but half. Huh. Alright, let's start again. Some stuff is going. Oh, damn it. Scene. Game. Hierarchy. Inspector. And then let's look at number 2. That does seem to work. Here it does work, so there's something wrong with the cache on that project. So I'm going to do something that's going to take quite a while, which sucks, but I'm going to remove all these temp files. OBJ is actually not really necessary, but I'll do that as well. Oh no, oh no. That's gonna take a little while, not that long, but the other thing that will take a while. Hey, hello. The other thing that will take a while is actually re-importing everything, but it's so weird. What I could do actually is probably not gonna work. Copying the entire library from one of the other projects, but I'm pretty sure that won't help. So I'm not sure. Maybe those hashes will work, so I'll do that. Yeah, it looks. Let me just try that. It's a bit weird what I'm doing here right now. Alright, I'm gonna copy the library from that one to that one, which is quite a lot, but not as much as the other one was. Probably because it loaded on different platforms, I don't know. That's gonna take a while. That's a lot of items to copy. Okay, so let me just get into this in number 2. Can I just upgrade this here? And in 3 as well? Yep. Oh, yeah, import. There we go. And then it's doing all this stuff that I need to do locally. I have no idea what a UDP is, but I mean, I know what UDP is, but not as Unity distribution platform. Weird stuff. There. So basically, we want to have in-app purchases ready for when we want to offer stuff to people. Like, I don't know, customization, pets, whatever we can think of. Copying is slow. Alright. Gonna take a little while. 11 minutes, ouch. Well, it's probably faster than just doing the actual import. I mean, I hope that it is. Yeah. I could also put all these projects on my SSD. I should actually do that for active development projects. Maybe we'll speed things up because I got a free SSD drive. That one that I don't really use yet, so maybe I should. What's the space on that again? Yeah, that should work. I mean, I should do that. Alright, clean. Alright. And then in-app purchase is not enabled. Oh yeah, because project settings weren't synced. That one I should actually copy the other way around. Copy project settings to Outranked 2. Replace. And Outranked 3. Replace. Alright, so those will... Interesting. Maybe, let's see if it's enabled now. Surfaces. Hey, hello. Welcome back. Haven't seen you in a bit. Well, not on stream at least. In-app purchase is on, analytics on, ads is on. Cool, that's what I want. I use all those nice Unity services. Otherwise, why would we build a game in Unity? We would still. For mobile, definitely. Yeah, this is just a little bit of a shame. Well, it's going faster though, so... oh god. IAP, let's enable here as well. Alright, that's nice. It was, yeah, the last one was actually pretty okay. I was getting somewhere at least. It's on though. Why am I getting this error then? Unity purchasing IAP button. IAP button. Well, that's weird. Maybe that was during compiling? No. Re-import that one? I don't know. Huh. That was weird. Ah, actually, now my first project is done. Let's see how much it needs to re-import. Let's hope this goes quickly. Meanwhile, what I could do already is well, I could put this all in the right corner of the screen. The correct corner, I mean. Whoa, no, 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 no. Oh, God. Why? Okay, it's hiding behind my taskbar right now. That's... I wouldn't say that I thought that possible. Alright. If you ever do that, that's the trick to get it back. Got my number 2 here. Let's see how that's going. Oof. Not looking good. Ah well, we got some time. Inspector. Oh, why is it getting loose there? Inspector. Right. Oh, yes. Nice. It did work. There we go. Why is this thing? This is not... Oh, this is Outranked 1. Oh, okay, that's some part of what I've copied, I guess. I should open the server scene here, and then finally we're ready to go again. Alright. Good. Outranked, Outranked 2, and Outranked 3. Good. So let's see what we can do about picking a team. Let's make some UI for that as well. We would be in the... I mean, let's think. You could either pick a team or get randomly assigned. Do we want to... Yeah, I think people should be able to swap as long as not too many people are in one team already. Let's go into the game room. Oh my god. Has that gone bad again? Rank icon. No, it's good here. So here it isn't. Let me say reset. And then revert. Oh, I can't. Let's do that over here then. Revert. And still 0, huh? 0, 0, 0. That is so weird because here in the prefab, they're not 0. -1, etc. And if I go in like this, they're okay. 0. So weird. Okay, I'm gonna make a new... I'm gonna delete the game room. And there. Yeah, it's weird. It's I think nested prefabs have some issues sometimes, and this is one of them. When I'm editing in the scene, and I'm actually in the nested prefab, but some stuff is not revertible. So I'm thinking that That should still be fixed, because now I've got a new instance of the prefab. I'm pretty sure that the icons here. 0. Whoa, that is weird. So where is the override? Where is it overridden then? So can I maybe go in here and then check the overrides? Ah, hold on. So when I'm in this one there, then I can see the overrides, because when I'm in this mode, then it's the overrides from this one, and I can't see that. Jeez, that's a bit tricky. Revert. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. These ones are okay. So I shouldn't get that error anymore. Then I can close these and just go like pick your rank. I did that that bit. Rank cards. I shall disable this for now, so that I can just build the pick a team. Although, no, you have to pick a team before you pick a rank. So first you pick a team, and once you confirm your team choice, only then can you pick a rank. It might take a bit long at the start of the game. We'll have to test if it needs to be like more instant. Or maybe actually if you make it a one-time choice and you can't like switch teams anymore, then actually it will have kind of an okay flow. Let's get into that later. Pick your team. Let's go into this mode. Yeah, that's better. UI. Context normal, otherwise it looks so weird. Also, like this, it also looks weird. It's, I don't know what it is with prefab editing and TextMesh Pro. Actually, with TextMesh Pro in general lately, when I zoom out, it gets to like a map something, and then when I zoom in, it looks okay. Well, okay-ish. Doesn't matter if it looks good here. You know, it looks good there. So pick your rank. Must be pick your team, and then well, actually the UI for this should be fairly simple. It's just 3 buttons. So actually, gonna make a little empty there. Whoop. That is a little wider. Whoa, a little wider, I said. Something like that. I don't know. Most importantly, it's a horizontal layout group. This button will go in there, and it will be some logical size. 70, 70, and make this be red. And now we should be able to have 4 teams here, so maybe we should actually already accommodate that. So let's make them a little smaller. Still large enough. I should do capline, yeah. And then red should not be that large. Red, let's take the longest. Red, blue, green, yellow is the longest, so that's gonna be a little bit smaller. 13. All right, so red. That's actually very weird, but it also shows me that yeah, it's enough, unless I want some spacing, which I do. So that's 5 more, which is 275, and it still fits on the phone. Good. Let's make that a little less, even less. What? Why is that not doing so much? That's strange. Oh, well. Upper center, let's say middle center, pick your team, and then it's going to be, let's say team, team red, team blue, team red, blue, green, and yellow was the order, and then random. Oh, that's actually longest. Well, I could make it a die. Oh, I'm not sure. Text, red, whip, blue, green. I'm not sure we're gonna do all this text, by the way, because I think we might try to get everything textless so that we don't have to localize. Now it needs to be 11. Oh, whoop, 11. 11, yes, there we go. And then of course we need to make those buttons red, blue, something like that. Oh, actually red wasn't that red, huh? In this game it was a little bit like that. Blue, same thing, not 100%. Then green, something like that. Yellow, and a random could actually stay white for now. Does this look okay? Yeah, why not? Pick your team. Red, blue, green, yellow. And when we have a 2-team game, we just disable these. Okay, now I see that my layout group is wrong. It should not force expand, and that's why my spacing didn't matter. Red, blue for 3 it's red, blue, green, and for 4 it's red, green, yellow, and random. Right. Oh, that's good. So for that, we're kind of done. Now I want to actually get this to look a bit better, and I have this asset from the asset store, which I still need to check. Oh, it's not asset store. I need to go to package manager. Procedural shapes. I'm not sure what it's called again, but we got so many assets. Procedural UI image, is that it? Yes, that's it. Download. Because it seems like that is going to give more options to make a nice UI. Import. It might work kind of in the same way as TextMesh Pro does, I'm not sure. Like with the assigned distance field. Why is it not there? Ah, there we go. Hey! God, that's insane. Where is it? Icons. So one has 0 again. These ones were okay, right? Yeah, they are. Where's the other button then? That's in. No. Interesting. Rank icon. That looks fine. Yeah, 1. That's so strange. Well, let's not get into that right now. Yeah, I was gonna try out those procedural UI image. I'm gonna put it in plugins first to keep this a bit tidy. Documentation. Blah blah blah. Extension of the image component. Procedural image. Yeah, that's nice. Custom modifiers. No, that's all the... Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Let me just try this out. Pick your team, game object. Team red. Alright, actually this one. I will remove image and add procedural image. And have that be in the place of image. There we go. Oh, I can't do that. I have to do that here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I added it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's strange. It should just be there. Yes. That's better. Team red, and let's... Yes, let's do that. Boop, boop, boop. There. Procedural image. Sprite none. That's fine, because I don't need a sprite, right? Image type. Okay. Why do I still have to put in a sprite over there? Round. Border width. Okay, okay. I should say filled. Whoa. Alright. No. I don't know how that works, but let me just try. Uniform, no. It's weird, this. Oh, it's got a fall off. Huh. Interesting. Let me just look at the demo here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So what did they do there? Smart image. Graph shadow. The shadow is a procedural image with some fall off. Oh, handy, yeah. Smart image. No sprite, and then simple. Radius, only one edge modifier. Radius. Hold on, which image is this? Oh, that one. Oh, only one edge. Oh, okay. Interesting. And that one? That is a free modifier. Free modifier. Ah, okay. It has no... Okay, okay. Let me go back to this scene. Game test. Into the prefab, and then we go to those buttons. This button is free, and then free modifier. Here it is. Okay. Interesting. Oh, nice. Yeah, that does look snag. So basically you can do this, and then, yeah, that looks okay. Cool, so I should do this again. Red. That. I should actually just make those buttons anew, because not, I didn't go that far yet. Copy blue, paste blue, copy green, paste green. I should define these colors actually, but well. And then delete these, team red, team blue, team That looks pretty nice. Oh, and then random, of course. Team random white. Delete that one. Just edit those texts. Not that one. And blue. There's the audio mixer here, actually. I should put it there. It's nicer. And green. And yellow. And random. Nice. So this looks cool. It looks cool. But I would like that shadow. I think that works very nicely as well. Let's try that out. So it's actually just copying these, I guess. Copying this thing and removing that text, and actually it should be black and then have some fall off. Cool. And then that should go in there. On there, but hold on, what? If it's on there, it should automatically go, right? Oh. What's happening there? Oh, there's button on both. This one shouldn't have button. Oof, what happens? It looks like it should be. Oh, maybe it's behind. Ah, yes. 0, 0 from 0. Oh, let's just make it in the middle. 0, 0, and there we have our shadow. Cool. Though I would like to have it have a little offset, so I do. Oh, that's a bit much. -2, +2. Still a bit much. -1, +1. It's just, yeah, kind of looks good. Fall of distance. Like that. Oh, what happened there? Didn't really update here. Reload? No. Strange. Strange stuff. But that looks nice. Even though this doesn't. Are these texts even? Oh. Are these texts even? Oh, they're not black. That's the thing. They are not black. Boom. Now they're black. And they are black here. Just something weird happened with the layout. Let me just... that's a bit like a shame. I have to rename all these again. Team blue, team green. I mean, I can just name this object shadow, but it's not nice when everything is not like not folded out. There. Oh, that one too. And now team blue, team green, team yellow, team random. So this could be easier, but well. Let me copy this and paste that on these, and then we'd have the nice buttons. Alright, but the nicest thing is that they're procedural now, so I can zoom in whatever I want. It can always be sharp. So that means that if I run this on an iPhone, oh, that's weird. If I run it on a, what is it doing here? Well, whatever screen I run it on and whatever resolution it has, it would look okay. Let me see if I can save this, go back. Oh yeah, whoa, overrides. What the bloody bugger happened here? Revert all. There we go. That's why it looked so weird. And this is, I hope that still just works with button because it's a procedural image, but oh, what? Okay, so that is a bit of a shame if that doesn't work. And that should be like team buttons. Oh, I know why. No, target graphic, team red, procedural image. Or it's the wrong one. It might be the wrong one. It might have been targeting that one. Let's hope so, because otherwise... Oh god. Forgot that. Let's just save. Okay, hold on. Team red, shadow. Yeah, no. Team red, and let's call this team red button. Alright, that should, let's see, team red button, team blue button, and now go back to this thing, button. Alright, so maybe it doesn't work, that would be a shame though. Or do I not have the event system in there? Whoa, okay. Something wrong with that. Weird. UI point. UI click. UI middle click. UI right click. UI scroll wheel. Move. Player move. Submit. UI submit. Cancel. Cancel what? Oh, navigate. Sorry, navigate. That's the thing. Alright, save. And apply that to the prefab. Ah, that was the override that I missed last time. So I do save and then save again. Go in here, see if the event system works. Yes, it does. Now we should have buttons that work with procedural edges. Yes, nice. Alright, pick your team. These probably, hopefully, will be pictures, like images, icons of the team color. I don't know what, but let's leave that up to the art team. Yeah. All right. Then, hold on. It said pick your team, right? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Never mind. Pick your team can go a little bit lower here. Whoop. And then what else? Like then there's some UI to be made for when you actually encounter an opponent. I'm thinking now, by the way, the shadow should have a little bit of a bigger yeah, because the shadow is further away, it should have like a little bit bigger arc. That's just a little bit nicer. Oh, I didn't do it. Yeah, no, I didn't do it in the prefab. Now I did. Okay, so basically, when you're there's a couple of UI things that need to be made. There's when you're in your base, you should have a base UI, which should give you options to. So that's not this. That's when it's actually. It might be nice to do this. Actually, what I did earlier. Oh, hold on. To actually make this a Yeah, then I could just disable this one. Same goes for pick your rank and the rank cards thing. That's nicer. Now I can just disable pick your rank and then it disables everything. Cool. Pick your rank and pick your team. So first you pick your team and it just immediately sets that, and then you pick your rank and then you go. Well, once the once everybody's picked a rank, or maybe there's just there should just be a countdown for when the game starts. Why is it not saving? Or at least it's saying here that it's not saving. Super weird. Oh well. So once it's started, the room code also disappears, and we've got nothing on the screen. What should we have on the screen during the game? You should have your own rank on the screen, so that's this one. I'm now a flag, which is super weird. Why am I a flag? It says flag, yeah. 5 stars. Yes, there we go. I'm rank 1 right now, like the top rank. So basically that's my rank. Or should it maybe be in the middle? It depends on what else we want to have in the screen. So what the interactions that you can do is just you can chat, but only with people close to you. So you can chat whenever nobody's around, but then nobody will see it or hear it, depending on what you're doing. Yeah, we're doing it the American way. 1 is top rank. Because there's numbers on things in Stratego. There's a European edition and American edition. The European edition has the top rank being 10, and the American edition has the top rank being 1. But the main reason that we're doing this is so that if you have different amount of players, then suddenly rank 5 is the highest rank, or rank 6 is the highest rank, or rank 7. That's confusing. But if you just let rank 1 always be the first rank, then you'll never be confused about do I have the highest rank or not. So that's actually why we chose to have rank 1 be the highest rank. And actually, once you've played it once or twice, you're probably used to that. So it's just always 1. So 5 stars is always rank 1, and so it goes all the way down. So 5 stars is always rank 1, 4 stars is always rank 2, etc. 3 stars, 2 stars, star in 3 stripes, star in 2 stripes, star in 1 stripe. That's weird. Why is that? That's the wrong way around. What? Is that correct? 4, 5, 6 is the other way around. Hold on. It doesn't work now, right? So star and 1 stripe. I'm probably getting star. Ah, come on. Star and 1 stripe. Oh, I do get star and 1 stripe. But this is the wrong order for the rank ID. That is weird. Oh no, it isn't. Never mind. I was going down 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 3, 2, 1 for with a star, and then you have 3 stripes, 2 stripes, 1 stripe, and then you always have bomb squad, scout, and assassin. Though we could make those bigger numbers, but I really actually loved assassin being 13, so we might just always let them be 11, 12, and 13, even though there are no rank 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in the game. But that also might be confusing. So what we could do, we're actually not showing those numbers. Sorry, never mind. We're showing. So if I'm an assassin, then it will just show an exclamation mark that's for now. That's the assassin symbol, and yeah, the bomb squad and the actual bomb. TNT is an X. That's the bomb right now. Flag is an F. That makes sense. Though it is a little bit lingual. So well, Scout is oh, why is it 2 again? That's weird. That's super weird. Hold on. I'm gonna edit the actual prefab now. I'm not going into that. Here we go. Rank item. I'm not going to fall into that pit again. I don't even have to open it. I can just do it here. Scout would be only 1 because we didn't want to do that. Bomb squad. For now, it's this hashtag because I don't know we really don't know yet how to convey a bomb squad in one symbol. So it must be. I think we should use an icon, but for now it's just a letter. Blah blah blah. Yeah. So basically, when I'm now let's see if it works. Did it actually take that? Yes, it took that. Nice. So if I'm bomb squad, then I'm actually this hashtag thing now. So back to 5 stars. 5 stars. I'm the 5 stars, then I'm rank 1. And the other UI. So there has to be a definitive attack button for the situation where actually, let me just copy one of those, including the shadow. Oh god, really? True, yeah. Let me copy one of those and put that there, and make that the attack button, so that I have the nice procedural stuff. This didn't do anything yet, right? No, it didn't. Okay, so I'll delete that. So this will be the attack button, and the attack button. Let's just call it attack button, and then the text saying attack. The thing is, this should appear, and it should also say who I'm attacking. So red, I don't know, top hat, and that should definitely be an icon. Jeez. So we'll make icons for all the hats that you can wear, so that you can actually see who you're attacking at that point. Because it could be that, though actually maybe we should keep it simple. For now, we could just say you're attacking, and the player that you're attacking is actually highlighted there. Need to go into the asset store. We have a special outline thing that finally works well on a universal render pipeline, so I should get that, but we didn't yet, so I'm not going to go into that. But we can highlight the player that you're currently closest to. We have decided it should be that simple, and other than that, instead of just tapping that button, you can also tap the player that you want to attack. And we have to see if that's actually gonna work, or if that leads to people accidentally attacking. But I'm pretty sure that if you're walking around, you'd click like further away from yourself, and if you actually want to attack someone that's close to you, then you can click the person, and they have to be near you anyway. So I'm like at least 60% confident that it will work. What we can do is make the attack button get the color of the person you're attacking. So I'm red and I'm attacking blue, then the button will become blue. That's for especially interesting for a game with more than 2 teams. And we're starting off testing stuff just with 2 teams. And I'm pretty sure that we will launch with only 2 teams and then just add the 3 and 4 teams option as an option later, because that also requires extra arena design, which we should still do. So this is the attack button. Then other things we can do. So usually this won't be there, but we have to make sure that we don't put anything else there. So I'm gonna leave it on for now. During the game, so actually pick your team and pick your rank are before the game starts. Room code as well. So this is icon, like let's say self icon, top left, and let's make top left less interesting. Top left. All right. So somehow I feel like middle top would be more appropriate, but I think because it sometimes runs on a mobile device this small, that we should not put it there, because then you're running out of tapping space. I mean, it should not block raycasts. That should do it. And here the same thing. Probably not, doesn't block raycasts by itself. No. I think the image does, but the other stuff doesn't. So that's interesting, that's important as well. And right now it would look like that. Let me see if I can actually get a game running. But I think that I need to pull the other thing. Yeah, I don't actually think I should do that today. But I'll try anyway. Since now I'm... that's why I didn't save actually. I was in prefab mode. Server scene, going to this one, client scene, okay, cool. Run this. Run that. Host new game. I got a room code, it's just not showing because I didn't... Okay, so let's see if the raycast is indeed not blocked. Oh, syncing is going wrong again. Okay, I have to fix that too, but okay, so definitely some weird stuff going on here. And then there's the variable attack button has not been assigned. Let's look into this. There. Oh, game logic. Okay. I'll go into that. Sync. Yeah, that's fine. Game logic, that is in game room. That's here. Game logic. I fixed that too already, so I should definitely... Oh yeah, rank picker and attack button are not currently weird. Attack button, that's... No, hold on. Yeah, that's the game object to turn it off, on and off. And then the rank picker is rank picker, but I should actually make that a game object as well. Whoa, first time going into Visual Studio this time. Didn't do much programming here. Alright. Rank picker. Do I need anything from rank picker? Yes, I do. Alright, so basically rank picker is adding transform. Okay. think I'm gonna do it the other way around. Yes, I will do that later. I'll just say there is a transform that is the card container, and that will be the thing that it actually puts it in, and that is card container. Yes, and I will shuffle that up a little bit, mix it up, because then I can actually put rank picker on that one. Rank picker, where is it? There. That's the prefab, and this is the card container. And then I could just disable the thing itself also from GameLogic script, and that should work. And then rank picker is that one. All right. Then, okay, so there has to be quite a little bit of communication, and I'm pretty sure that not all players will play with voice. So what I'm actually gonna do here is add a, this is Rinky, gonna player here. I also think the camera should aim a little bit above there, but that's something I still need to because let's see, camera rig, oh hold on, the Y value should be like 0.4 because that thing is 0.8 high, so that is actually in the middle, and the floor that you're walking on is actually a little bit under the middle, but that should be in dampened follow, I think. Transform position, yes. So I should make this have a vector 3 offset. All this offset plus that. Oh, hold on. No. Sorry, this is wrong. There. It's actually just here. And yeah, target position plus offset. That's the thing. That's the thing. All right, I'll make an offset of 0.4 in the Y direction. All right, cool. Then what I was aiming at, especially because I'm going to do this, the person should have like some text balloon above his head, which is also one of the reasons to have these nice shapes, hopefully. We'll have a little, let's go here, and oof, yeah, whoop, there we go. Turn 2D off, and it basically will have a UI thing above his head, but I'm pretty sure, oh wow, they put procedural image on top here. Wow, okay, fine by me. It should follow this guy, but it shouldn't be in world space. Actually, it should just be on the main canvas. So I should just make a script that spawns those things. Actually, let me use the attack button as a, though it will have a I think a button should have the shadow, and then the other thing should have like a nice outline. And we can do, I think we can do outline the same way. 0. And have the attack button, oops, have the attack button be attack button, the what do you call it? This is going to be the speech balloon. Speech. So the speech in this case will be, let's just say, I guess off-white or something, just so it's not that harsh. And the balloon will be less high. No, it will probably need to be this high, because it needs to. I could do it the other way around actually. This one could be a, I think, yeah, it has a border with thing, so I can make this into, yeah, this is a nice border. Okay. Hey, you're popping in right at the last minute. Well, last minute, but this would be. Oh, it looks nice. Yeah, it seems to do great. So this procedural image is just the border. It's a bit thick, something like that. And then let's say 3. Okay. Lower right 0. That one too. Lower right 0. And then that could be aimed at the player, kind of. Maybe we should just actually have a little sticky outy bit. But for now we can use this, and then this would have the icon of like a player and its rank. So basically you can just tap, and that's the thing I still need to make. You tap the icons of things that you've seen, or if we make it even harder, people will actually have to remember, and I think that's even nicer. Just like if you play this game in a forest, you'd actually have to remember what you've seen, and that's also part of Stratego as well. So I think it's a nice way to do this. You have to remember, I've seen the top hat guy with a rank 4-star. I don't know, something like that, and then that way, let me just. The disadvantage is that now we have to. Oh yeah, that's okay. It's gonna have to be a little bit smaller. It's not even a big problem, I think. So how large is this text now? Yeah, could be 9, and because I want it to be kind of the same, but also this is not even a text, so we'll be fine. Let's do 40/40 right now. Oh, hold on, I did not just do that. That should be 0,0,0,0 and just be dependent on the one above there. Yeah, better. And then 40/40. Yes, that's better. This. Let's say for now, good enough. Could play this way. And I'm communicating to everyone around me, so people who are standing around me here will see this being communicated from me. If they're not close by enough, they won't. How will I know who's seen it? I think I'll have to we'll have to highlight them in some kind of way. I have to think about that. I'll make it. No, I'll make a note actually. Outranked. Game design document. There we go. I'll make a note of that we have to. Think about how to show who's hearing you. I mean, it should be well doable. Well, it should be doable, but you should still think about it. If anybody has a suggestion, definitely say so in your chat or comments later. Yes. Now we have to be able to use this in a certain way. So there has to be some kind of menu that you can access to talk. I'm pretty sure that we should just make a button with like one of those text balloons on it, so that you just know that that's. I think let's just try that, and let's put this on the left. That's weird. Why is that thing so weirdly positioned? 0, 0, 1, 0, and then -6 and 6. And this one actually too, huh? Yeah, that's better. That's much better. All right. So that if I want to resize this, that's gonna work. All right. Speech is there, and then here's like the talk button. So basically, we have two options. One is you could just talk with speech, like a microphone, and the other one is you can. Let's remove button here. You can talk with the icons. Talk icon. And it's all really not updating. Oh, it is updating. All right. So basically 6 and -6. Oh, hold on. 6 and -6. Oh, not minus. Oh yeah, it's going up. All right, 6 and 6, and then we've got that. Now that's a bit not. It's not looking super great. Why is this stuff just not updating all the time? So weird. Maybe I should put it again, but all right. So this is not ideal for the PC version, of course, but that should be buttons as well. Maybe we should just have to. Yeah, let me just design the mobile version first. That's always harder to design anyway because you have less space. The talk button should be a bit smaller, I think. What's happening here? Oh, I didn't do that there either. Should have changed that first. -1, -1, 1, 1. Yes. That's a talk icon. I'm gonna get those font awesome stuff things in here. Attack should also be an icon, right? Attack icon. So we have our own rank. We have the talk. We have the attack. What else can we do? Walk around is just tapping on the screen. Then there is stuff that we can do when we're on the base, in the base. So actually, I did do all this already, and I think that is not what I want there, but I can actually do this. The attack button is in bottom right, and the talk button is in bottom left. And now they're automatically aligned, so I can actually make another button in the bottom left. No, I'm copying the whole button left things. Talk and then we've got a base options. So when I'm in the base, I could press that thing and a menu pops out. I'm not sure that's the best way to do it yet, but let's do some more UI design based on this first idea. So talk icon is always there, the base icon will pop up over there. Basically turn on whenever you're on the base. And then if you are on the base, well, if you talk, there's going to be a menu. If you are on the base, there's going to be a menu. So basically need to make those as well. I think, okay, so on the base, what can you do? You can pick a new rank. But we also, that's actually not true. What can you do in the base? Nothing. You're safe in your base, that's the only thing. Except for the flag. Yeah, there's no base button. That's something we designed actually this last design session. You cannot just go back and swap roles. You can only swap roles when you've lost your role by being dead. But there will be some parts, some locations in the game that are deadly, so that you can actually go there and kill yourself to lose that rank, so that you go back as a ghost, go back to your base and get a new rank. That's going to be an option. Like there's going to be an option for, and I think default. We're gonna see what the best default settings are, and then just make the rest options. I think the default settings will be that you have to run back as a ghost to your base, so that while you're still a ghost, you can spy on people. That's just so nice in Among Us that I think we'll just actually copy that. If you there's another option that you just respawn on your base as a ghost immediately. You'll still be a ghost, but you can pick a rank immediately. But if you don't, you can still run around. Which means that if you pick that option, there should be an option in pick your rank that says not now or close. So I'll write that down actually. Close option for rank picking to stay a ghost. Thing is, as a ghost, you can't interact with anyone. The only thing you can do is hear stuff that people are saying. So either with those icons or in actual voice chat. So the voice chat, I'm still looking into the Vivox thing. Apparently, I didn't know that, but apparently Vivox is huge and it's used among others by Fortnite. So yeah, that's why they can offer free use up to 5,000 peak concurrent users, which is super nice. The thing is, I still have to look into the API if it's possible to actually make sure that some people hear each other and others don't, in a server authoritative way, so that the server can tell Vivox who can talk to whom at a certain point. Let's see, we'll have to also make sure that if there's a lot of people around here talking, that those things won't overlap, but that's just a thing to worry about later. So basically it's just talk, and then what am I going to do with talk? I'm going to go over all the players that I've seen. So how will I do that? Let's think. There's talk. Let's copy talk here to the middle of the screen or something. Yeah, it makes sense actually. It needs to be on top of everything. And this is the talk menu. And the talk menu will have, well, it won't have a shadow, of course. Hold on, this will be the talk menu. And this is gone. I could just copy that little so that's a speech border. That's why speech border, just border. And this is the speech balloon. Yes, nice naming, good. Copy here. 0000. That would be on the talk menu, right? What? Strange stuff going on here. That's so weird. Did I? Oh, well, okay. Let me see. Overrides. What? Why are those overrides here? Alright. So I apparently did edit some stuff outside of the... That's weird, I didn't think I did. That's not what I wanted. Hold on. Why is this acting up so weirdly? Speech balloon, and then this one seems to be in there. Let's see. Speech balloon, talk menu. Talk menu is there, and then, oh, hold on. That's basically just this thing that's not good yet. Alright. Yes, there we go. Okay, so that's the talk menu. Talk menu. And that basically needs to be a lot larger. Let's just do this first. I'm talking. Oops, that's 140 I meant. Talk menu needs to be neutral colored. Actually talk, the talk button itself as well. That's here. Also needs to be neutral. And then we'll do some nice UI design later, I think. Talk menu. What do we need in the talk menu? We need the border here, but oh, whoa, submesh UI. Okay, well, that's just TextMesh Pro in the editor. Alright, Text Mesh Pro, talk menu, where we go, like 1, and 1. It's going to be 0, and the height's going to be like 10, no, 14, something. Alright, talk menu, I don't know, it's maybe, actually, probably doesn't even need text, because we don't want text. But for now, I'll just keep that on there so that we know what we're talking about. No, let's just remove it. This thing will need some kind of way to see all the players that you've seen so far. Actually, would be kind of a large amount, so maybe we need to scroll as well. Because let's say you're playing a 40-player game. What if you've seen 20? There's not enough space here for 20 buttons that you can actually tap easily. So I think we'll have a horizontally scrolling list of everything you've seen. It will end here and then just scroll back to the left. That's my best design for this moment. So as a last thing, I'll actually do that. UI scroll view, there it is. It's super weird that it's just so large. And I will make that go away. Okay, there we go. The viewport is there. The scroll bars are huge. Horizontal, height 5. Vertical, width 5, but doesn't matter because I'm not gonna need vertical. Scroll view, horizontal. Spacing -3, that's weird. Right, 0, yes, that's better. Height 5. We could actually make this thing be a procedural image as well. And the viewport has an image in there. Interesting. Why do we even want that? No. I can have a mask in there, but that'd be a procedural image as well. Oof. There we go. Could be a little bit like that so we can see it. Yes. Okay. Fall off. Why? No fall off. Okay. That's great. And now we can do the mask thing. Scroll bar. Maybe actually the same. Put a new procedural image on there as well. And make that. Come on. Just drag. It's one of the not so nice parts of Unity. Not really showing up here. Let's see. Doesn't look like it's working. Oh, it is. It is. And then it's the sliding area and the handle. Sliding area doesn't have a color. Yeah, of course, it's a scroll bar. The handle itself should actually be the same kind of procedural image. Copy component. Remove component. Paste as new. And then the scroll bar should of course be grayish and the handle be white. Let's just add some content here so that we can see if it works. And hold on. Oh, yeah, of course. That's better. Alrighty. There are more images here. Scroll view has an image. I thought I'd removed that. Oh, that's the viewport. Scroll view itself also has an image. Weird. Why would it? Or do we need that for the mask? Well, I don't think we'd need an image on the scroll view. What's that X doing there? Height 5. Scrolling area. Ooh. Oof. Okay, handle. Yeah, that's better. Do we have... Okay, fine. Viewport is just 2 over there, huh? That's weird. This is interesting. That's driven by scroll rect. Scroll rect says horizontal. Alright, let's just do this like that. Like I'll add 4 here, and I'll have the scroll bar be 4 forward down, like below the content. All right, so this is a nice scrolling thing. And then I'm not even sure. I think this might even only be not so wide, not so high, but well, doesn't really matter. The viewport should have all the stuff in there, which means I will use a horizontal layout group, and I will add some of those buttons to it. And let's think they need to be as big as the speech balloon. And let's add that to the viewport. Oh, actually content, hold on. Horizontal layout group, remove content. That needs the horizontal layout, and that's where speech balloon goes in. Cool. And that is actually upper right. Interesting. Can I use the fitter, content size fitter, with the horizontal layout group? I think I can, yes, 40 wide, nice. And the vertical fit, same thing. Yes, now this thing will, I think, go along. Yes, it will. This will be wider now. Cool, that's the way it works. Spacing can be a little bit more. And then we have our buttons, though they're not really buttons yet, but I'll worry about that later. 8 and that borders. Right, so these are icons of players I've seen without their rank. Icon of seen player. Oh, actually with their rank. Never mind, it's the players you've seen with their rank. No. Oh, that's still up for debate. If we actually want to tap a player that's in the game and then their rank, or if we want to like keep a list of what we've seen and that the game remembers it. And it could be an option to make it an easier game. But somehow I feel like the game would be better if you don't let... Yeah, well, I'm not sure. So basically... Oh yeah, it's the width of the line, that's 2. No. Weird. Well, let's see. Let's just see if it works. I'm gonna add some of those icons. The mask doesn't work, huh? Interesting. The mask does not work. That's probably because there's no image on here. Is that true? It's not true. Or... no. Why does my viewport mask not work? Is it because of procedural image? Maybe. And that would be... Let me think. Mask, scroll view, content. Huh. Weird. Let me just add another scroll view so I can see what I changed. Scroll view has an image, maskable. Scroll view has an image which is maskable. And the viewport as an image UI mask. And that free modifier should go off here. Mask UI mask. Still doesn't work. Then viewport has content in there. Scroll bar horizontal. Scroll bar vertical. That doesn't do anything anymore. So why? UI mask. Mask graphic. That's ID 1. Op replace what? Hold on. Oh, default material. That is totally different. Shader UI default. How did this get replaced there? Interesting. Is it somewhere in here? Viewport. Did that change? No, it didn't. Weird. Copy component image. Remove component. Oh, hold on here. Remove component and paste component. Let's get the default UI material. Let me just add mask back. Oh, there we go. Alright. Weird. So mask has to configure some stuff before it actually shows. Alright. UI mask is going to be none. Okay, that doesn't work. Let me see the background I can actually remove. And that's our mask. Nice. Alright, so the viewport is a bit too big. Content should actually be oh, hold on, the scroll view is a little too small, I think. Yeah, that's it. To just move the content down a little bit. Down, I said. And a little bit to the right. That does not work because it's a scroll. Alright. This cannot. That cannot work. Alright, let's just see if the scroll thing works and then I'm gonna stop because it's way too late. Oh god, let's hope I did it right for the prefab. Did it right for the prefab. That does look great. And I can even click those, which I hadn't even thought that would be possible because I thought that thing would not be a button anymore, but it works. And then I could just scroll through all the layers I've seen, click that icon and then go on. Alright, let's just stop here. Lots of unstaged stuff. Lots of untracked files. Yeah, procedural UI image. Adds procedural UI image asset. And then what else did we do? Like adds UI for team picking and talk, like yeah, talking. Let's just call it talking for now. Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. That's going to be it for today. I hope to see you next Sunday, same time. And if you like this stream, please like, subscribe, follow, whichever things you can. If you really love this, then you can support us by subscribing on Twitch or donating by becoming a patron. We've got a Patreon link set up in the description on YouTube and in our profile on Twitch, so you can support us that way if you really love this. And of course, look out for the game. Join the Discord of Outranked. I will link the landing page here. It's outranked.net, so you don't even have to click the link. You can also type it, but There's a link to the Discord server in there, and also you can go there to the link for Steam to actually wishlist the game. So you can also help us by just buying the game and playing it and leaving nice reviews. If you join the Discord, you can also get beta access, so definitely check that out. And it should be a nice community as well. Thanks again, and I'll leave you with some music from that I made for my last Ludum Dare game called League of Ultra Normal Detectives, that we might even make into a full game someday. And that's this music, so enjoy that for a little bit, and see you next Sunday. Bye bye.